The story of Labubu, how a strange little creature took over the world. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to tell you the story of a creature that is both cute and creepy at the same time. It has sharp teeth, big ears, and a face that looks like it could bite you, but also hug you. Yes, I'm talking about Labubu. You may have seen it on TikTok, Instagram, or in collectible toy stores. But how did Labubu actually become so famous all around the world? In this video, we're going to explore the full journey, from its origins to its global success, to the psychology of why people can't stop collecting it. Origins of Labubu was created by Kaising Lung, an illustrator from Hong Kong. Kaising grew up loving fairy tales, myths, and monsters. But instead of seeing monsters as scary, he saw them as playful, mysterious, and full of personality. In 2015, he created the Monsters, a series of unique characters, strange creatures with whimsical and sometimes spooky looks. Among them, Labubu quickly stood out as the star. Labubu has sharp fangs, big round eyes, long ears, and a cheeky grin. It's not classically cute, like Hello Kitty or Mickey Mouse. Instead, it blends cuteness with creepiness, and that's exactly why people remember it. Kaising once said in interviews that Labubu represents a kind of innocence mixed with wild imagination. It's like a monster from a child's dream. Strange, but not evil. The Pop Mart connection. The real turning point came when Pop Mart, a Chinese company famous for collectible blind boxes, partnered with Kaising Lung. For those who don't know, blind boxes are small packages where you don't know which figure you'll get until you open it. It's a surprise every time. This business model is addictive, kind of like opening Pokemon cards or Kinder Surprise eggs. People keep buying because they want to complete a collection or find the rarest figure. When Pop Mart started producing Labubu toys in blind boxes, everything changed. Suddenly, Labubu wasn't just an art character from Hong Kong. It became a global collectible phenomenon. Pop Mart created seasonal editions, Halloween Labubu, Christmas Labubu, rainbow-colored Labubu, glow-in-the-dark versions, and more. Each release felt like a treasure hunt, and collectors couldn't get enough. Viral growth through social media. Labubu's fame exploded thanks to social media. People began posting unboxing videos on TikTok and YouTube. Some were excited, some were frustrated when they didn't get the one they wanted. And those real emotions made the videos entertaining. Instagram collectors started showing off full shelves of Labubu figures, making others jealous. Suddenly, Labubu wasn't just a toy. It was a status symbol in the collectible world. Memes also helped. People joked about Labubu's scary smile, calling it both nightmare fuel and the cutest thing ever. That mix of reactions made it even more viral because everyone wanted to join the conversation. On Chinese platforms like Weibo and Xiaohongshu, Labubu became a trending hashtag. Internationally, TikTok pushed Labubu into the feeds of people who had never even heard of Pop Mart before. The global expansion, Pop Mart saw the demand and expanded worldwide. They opened physical stores in Asia, Europe, and North America. They also sold through online shops, making it easy for international fans to buy. The hype grew so much that rare Labubu figures started reselling for hundreds of dollars on auction sites. Some super rare editions could even go for over $1,000. This turned Labubu into not just a collectible, but also an investment for some fans. Queues formed outside Pop Mart stores during release days. Imagine people waiting overnight just to get a chance at a blind box. That's how intense the craze became. In many ways, Labubu started being compared to other global toy icons, like Funko Pop, Bear Brick, or even Lego. But the difference is that Labubu had a stronger artistic origin, coming from Karsing Lung's personal storytelling world, not just from mass-market design. Why people love Labubu? Let's stop and ask, why do people love Labubu so much? 1. Unique design. It's both cute and creepy, which makes it memorable. It doesn't look like anything else. 2. Blind box thrill. Collecting becomes a game of chance. Opening a box feels like gambling, but in a fun, safe way. 3. Community. Fans bond through trading events, online groups, and conventions. Collecting Labubu isn't just personal, it's social. 4. Exclusivity. Many versions are limited edition. Owning one feels special, almost like being part of a secret club. 5. Emotional connection. People project their own feelings onto Labubu. Some see it as mischievous, some as protective, some even as a friend. In short, Labubu isn't just a plastic, it's culture. So, what's next? Pop Mart continues to release new Labubu collections every season. There are also collaborations with other brands, like fashion labels and lifestyle products. Some predict that Labubu might move into animation, video games, or even movies one day. If that happens, Labubu could become as mainstream as Hello Kitty or Pokemon. But even if it stays a designer collectible, its cultural impact is already huge. To sum it up, Labubu was born from the imagination of Karsing Lung, grew through Pop Mart's blind box strategy, exploded on social media, and captured the hearts of collectors worldwide. It proves that in today's world, a single strange little character can become a global superstar, not through Hollywood or TV, but through community, creativity, and the power of the internet. So next time you see that toothy smile, remember, behind it is an entire story of art, culture, and a little bit of magic. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into Labubu, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stories about pop culture icons.